Hello, everyone. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. I hope all of you are doing great and you are preparing well for your re-NEET examination, which is supposed to happen on 21st of June. So, as the day is coming closer, right? As the exam day is coming closer, all of you might be feeling anxious and all of you might be, checking the internet as well. So these days, you see many people saying that the exam will be very harder because it's happening again this year. And they will also show you some data that whenever the re exam happened, the exam was usually tough, right? And as soon as you hear that the exam is going to be very tough, you just feel anxious, you feel demotivated, that will not be able to do it, right? But I would suggest just don't listen to these kind of things, don't focus on these type of things, and don't even think about the difficulty of the exam. The reason behind that is, even if the exam is harder, it won't really affect your ranks, because if the exam is hard for you, then it is hard for everyone else as well. And the ranks which you get, the AIR which you get, is decided based on your relative performance. So don't really worry about the difficulty of the paper, be it hard or be it easy. Whatever is the difficulty level of the paper, it is for everyone, right? You just have to focus on practicing enough questions, and you just have to make sure that you put in more efforts than the last time, right? And you have to perform well than the last time. It doesn't matter even if you score less, but you should not have any regrets at the end of the day that if I have put more efforts, then I would have performed well. So just focus on your hard work, just focus on studying, just focus on practicing questions, and you will definitely score good. So thank you so much for watching our video. Stay healthy and stay motivated to study.